She keeps a Moet Chandon in a pretty cabinet. Let them eat cake, she says, just like Marie Antoinette. Building a remedy for Khrushchev and Kennedy. At any time, an invitation you can't decline. Caviar and cigarettes, well versed in etiquette, extraordinarily nice. She's a killer queen, gunpowder gelatine, dynamite with a laser beam, guaranteed to blow your mind. This thing called love, I just can't handle it. This thing called love, I must get right to it. Ain't ready, crazy little thing called love. I gotta be cool, relax, get hit, get on my tracks, take a backseat, a hitchhike. Take a long ride on my motorbike till I'm ready, raise a little thing called love. 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 Can anybody somebody to love? Find me somebody to love. 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 Somebody, 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 somebody. Find me somebody, find me somebody to love. Anybody find me somebody to love. I see a little silhouette of a man. Scaramouche, Scaramouche, will you do the fandango? Thunderbolt and lightning, very, very frightening me. Galileo, Galileo, Galileo Figaro. Magnifico! I'm just a poor boy, nobody loves me. He's just a poor boy from a poor family, sparing his life from this monstrosity. Easy come, easy go, will you let me go? Bismillah, no, we will not let you go. Let him go! Bismillah, we will not let you go. Let him go! Bismillah, we will not let you go. Let me go! We'll not let you go. Let me go! We'll not let you go. Let me go! Oh, mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia, let me go. Beelzebub has a devil put aside for me, for me.